This is the XDC network 10-year overview reading for 2020 through 2029. It's currently December 26, 2022, approximately 7 p.m. Eastern Time. XDC at the time of this reading is 0.02763, so just under 3 cents. Overall theme and behavior for XDC over the 10-year period is a notable decline through multiple support levels, standing out on a multi-year scale. It's crossed with an overbought crest or peak that we sell off from. Behavior around the highest high, we have the definitive completion of a bullish trend, so that does basically tell us that there is a bullish trend in here, as well as this overbought crest or peak, and then we sell from it. Behavior around the lowest low, an agreement between two leaders or a merger of some kind may be highlighted around the low, but this is usually like a move higher and then a prominent move back down with like a holding pattern around it, or before it, I should say. 2020, we have a notable move higher, offering an opportunity to open up a short position. 2021, we have multiple headwinds pushing XDC lower. 2022, we have a decline from a resistance down to and through a support to meet a second support. We rotate sideways along that support for a bit, and then we break down through multiple supports on the scale of a multi-year chart. 2023, we have 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, confirming a bullish trend. 2024, we have a notable support level. It looks like we have 2 notable support levels. We create support at a high at some point, rotating sideways along it, and then we also have at the bottom end of a range, we have a support level there. So a high and a low both here in 2024. I'm not necessarily on the scale of the 10-year, but there'll be a notable support at a high and a notable support at a low, like a new high, a new support at a high and a new support at a low, I should say. In 2025, we have a rally along diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting a second resistance, and then pulling back to somewhere between those 2 price levels. 2026, we have a period of sideways fluctuation with an overall bullish trend, but it precedes a decline. And there you go. In 2027, we have a failed attempt to break through an already established resistance level on the scale of a multi-year scale, and then we decline through key support on a multi-year scale. 2028, we have a decline through a support level that we'd recently broken down through once before. So I'd say within like the last, it's probably over here. Eso-Meta would be able to help us. And then in 2029, there's a critical technical price level highlighted at a critical technical price level highlighted at a resistance, standing out. The resistance will stand out at least on a 1-year chart, but this technical price level will stand out on a scale of a multi-year chart. I'm advised to trade around a notable breakout on the scale of a multi-year chart. It would stand out. That's likely over here, guys. And then in the following 10-year period, the following 10-year period, we have a significant move higher. We push the upper end of the range higher. That's on a multi-year scale. Very likely we have a higher, like a new all-time high in that following 10-year period. Guys, if you're watching this on TikTok, check out the full prediction. We're going to get into the Eso-Meta pattern recognition portion of this reading on our YouTube channel. It's Tarot for Traders with the word FOR instead of the number 4, like on TikTok. Free, over 1,000 predictions free, running a 98% average accuracy. That means that if I make 10 statements, more than 9 of them will be right. Like if I make 100 statements, 98 of those statements should be correct. I'll see you on the next one. Everybody else, stay tuned for that pattern recognition portion.
Based on the markup here for the Eso-Meta pattern recognition, looks like there's an opportunity, guys. We've got a low early in the year of 2023 and 3 crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, and then it looks like we have a pretty significant move. There's a high correlator for both 2023 and 2024, so we have a high, like a 10-year high in here. We should see a higher price level than this 18 cents here in either 2023 or 2024, possibly 2025. But remember, there's also a low correlator here in 2024, so there'll be some real price like swings, if you will. The long-term outlook is really bullish, though. This is one that I would probably pick up on any like notable decline opportunities. Like possibly this low that we see in 2024 could be a good opportunity to open up a long position as well. And that's XDC for 10-year period, 2020 through 2029. Make sure you follow that rule of karma. My friends, be angel investors. Spend that money out of love, and the universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure you follow that rule of karma, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.